At the end of this media, you will be able to understand about Tong tester. This instrument is used to measure alternating current. The instrument is also called as clamp-on meter. It has two clamps on the top. The clamp is the core of the CT belonging to the Tong tester. When a current-carrying conductor is placed inside the clamp, the conductor acts as the primary of the CT. The output current of the inbuilt secondary winding of the CT is fed to an ammeter inside, which gives the reading. We will see how to operate and use a Tong tester. Put the selector mode of the meter in the required range if the current to be measured is tentatively known. If not, put the selector in the maximum range. Open the clamps of the instrument by pressing opposite ends of the clamps. Clamp the conductor whose current is to be measured. When the opposite ends of the clamps are released, the loop of the clamps gets closed tightly. You can measure the electrical current in the conductor to be measured without actually breaking the circuit and connecting the meter in series. The Tong tester cannot be used to measure the current in a single-phase mains cable, because the cable also has the current return path along with the current feeding conductor. The flux due to current flowing in one direction will neutralize the flux of the same returning current flowing in the other direction. Let us see the classification of Tong tester. The Tong tester is classified into two types. They are analog Tong tester and digital Tong tester. Analog Tong tester. This type of Tong tester is used only for AC current measurements. Such kind of analog Tong testers do not need any battery inside the meter for its operation. They derive their operating power of the galvanometer cum pointer in the scale from the current being measured. Digital Tong tester. These types of Tong testers need battery source for its operation. The modern digital Tong testers consist of all the facilities of multimeter. The digital Tong testers have the facilities to measure several electrical parameters such as resistance, diode test, capacitance, current, voltage, power, and power factor. Some makes have the set of clamps separately. Whenever necessary, the output probes of the clamps are plugged into its parent multimeter terminals designed to adopt them. The clamps are then put around any faraway conductors and the readings are measured in the multimeter. You can easily measure the power factor of a load just by clamping the conductor and touching the voltage probes of the digital Tong tester. Tong tester can be used in any level of high voltage cables, provided the cables are well insulated. Since the clamps are sufficiently insulated to withstand LT voltage, Tong testers can be used in bare conductors of LT voltage level. You have learned about Tong tester.